Hey guys, today we're going to talk about best budgeting app EveryDollar versus Simplifi. First, let's talk about pricing. EveryDollar offers a free version, but to unlock all its features, you'll need to subscribe at $79.99 a year. On the other hand, Simplifi skips the free tier but gives you a 14-day free trial. And then it's only $47.99 annually. If saving money matters, Simplifi wins on cost. Now, consider the interface and ease of use. EveryDollar is renowned for its clean, straightforward design, making it perfect for beginners who want a no-nonsense approach. Simplifi offers take it up a notch with an intuitive dashboard and smart automation, making tracking your spending nearly effortless. When it comes to the features, both apps deliver robust budgeting tools. EveryDollar sticks to a hands-on method that helps you plan every dollar. Simplifi adds extra value by offering detailed spending insights, bill tracking, and customizable alerts that gives you a comprehensive view of your finances. Finally, customer support and community. EveryDollar boasts a supportive community and plenty of online guides, while Simplifi offers responsive customer service and in-app help to keep you on track. In summary, if you prefer a straightforward hands-on budgeting style and don't mind paying a bit more, EveryDollar could be your match. But if you're looking for a more automated, feature-rich experience at a lower price, Simplifi is the clear choice. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.